To perform any of the channel configuration tasks for Webex Contact Center, the administrator first logs in to Webex Control Hub. In the body of the landing page, you can view the guide to getting started with Contact Center, or use the Cisco AI Assistant to ask for help on a specific subject. For example, how do I add a voice channel to Webex Contact Center? As you can see, the AI Assistant is able to provide comprehensive guidance, making your tasks easier to get started and accomplish. There's even predictive follow-up questions offered that are often highly relational to your original query, which can help you get the most out of Webex Control Hub as efficiently and effectively as possible. Let's go back and take a look at the Getting Started with Contact Center guide. This isn't an opportunity to download a how-to document. This is a launch point to perform configuration-based tasks in a structured order of operations to successfully set up the Webex Contact Center. These configuration opportunities include foundational settings. These are settings that are essential to getting started with Contact Center. From here, you'd establish your PSTN connection method, add numbers and users, as well as assign them licenses and sync them. There's also routing settings, which is the process of managing incoming inquiries or requests from customers to an appropriate agent or department. This is the area of focus we're interested in for purposes of learning about the capabilities of channels. There's also a user settings section which allows you to specify skills, permissions, and desktop experiences for agents and supervisors. Here's what these 3 settings blocks look like, and you should view their representation from top to bottom as an order of operations, due to dependencies. By getting started with the routing settings, we can see what is involved in configuring channels. This is what you'll see when you select the Routing Settings button named Getting Started. Starting with channels allows you to create entry points and map the entry points to dial numbers. Think of an entry point as the front door through which customer calls, emails, chats, or other types of communication come into the contact center. You need to configure how these incoming interactions are routed and handled. It determines what happens first during the interaction, such as playing a welcome message, gathering some information from the customer, or directing them to the appropriate agent or department. This setup ensures that customer inquiries are efficiently managed and directed to the right resources within the contact center.